Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher B, and if this is your first time visiting, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be notified once a new video becomes available. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions, please put it in the comment section below and I'll try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Hey guys, is your frustration building up because you are experiencing any of these situations? You are a student and you would like to send a video file to your teacher, and it's taking so long to send because the internet is slow and the file size is huge. Or you are a teacher and you would like to upload the video material on your LMS, but it's taking forever before it gets uploaded. Or you want to send a friend a video file to their social media account or email, but couldn't because there's a maximum file size that you could only send. Well, you don't need to worry anymore because there's an app that will help you to solve this problem. This app is called Handbrake, and it's a very valuable tool to reduce your video file size. So let's get started. If you haven't installed Handbrake in your computer yet, you can go to handbrake.fr and you are going to click this button if you are using Mac operating system 10.11 or later. If you are using a different version or if you are using a different operating system, you can click the downloads and you can choose the operating system that you are using. So I already went ahead and I already installed Handbrake. We are going to reduce a video file size. So I'm going to click open source. I am going to choose the video that I am going to reduce, video 1. And then you will notice that it's 49.2 MB, and then I am going to click open, and then on the presets I am going to click fast 480p 30. You can choose a higher resolution, but take note that the file size will also increase. I am going to click web optimized, and then I am going to save it in a different file name. So I am going to add reduced in my original file name. So I will save it as video 1 reduced. And then I am going to choose a folder where I'm going to save it to. I'm going to click browse and I am going to choose the folder where the original video is located. So I'm going to click choose and then I'm going to click start. Let's open the folder that contains that reduced video and let's see. So video 1 is 49.2 MB, video 1 reduced became 16 MB. So that is a significant decrease in the file size. Okay? Now we are going to reduce video files at the same time. So how are we going to do that? Click open source. Let's choose video 2 and then click open. Make sure that the presets is fast 480p 30. As I said, you can choose a different resolution if you like, and check web optimized. And then let's save it as video 2 reduced. And then click add to queue. And you will notice that this video will be added on the queue window. Now let's add another video. Click open source, select video 3, click open. And then again, the presets is 480p 30, web optimized is checked. And then let's save this as video 3 reduced. And then add to queue. And then open source, video 4, and then click open, and then let's save it as video 4 reduced. Again, the presets is fast 480p 30 and the web optimized is checked, and then it will be saved in our videos folder, and then click add to queue. And you will notice that in our queue window there are already 3 video files that are pending. So we are going to open that and you will notice that all of these video files are pending. Now what if you would like to remove one of the videos? So you change your mind, you don't want to reduce it anymore. So just click this X button here and then it will be removed in the queue window. Now let's click the Start button. Now that our videos have been reduced, let's check. So our video 2 originally was 44 MB and now the reduced video size is 4.4 MB. Now for the video 3, it was 23.5 MB and now it's 1.4 MB. Okay? What if you would like to reduce the video file size significantly? So for example, you would like to send it as an attachment or you would like to send it on your social media account. So that's possible. So click open source and then let's choose video 5 and then click open. Click presets and then choose Gmail small 10 minutes. And then make sure the web optimize is checked and then save it as video 5 reduced. And then save it in a folder that you would like to save it to and then click start. Okay, so now let's check the video file size. So we have here video 5 and it's 101.9 MB. Now let's check the video 5 reduced. So now it's 196 KB. So now you can send this as an attachment or you can send it to your social media account because the video file size is very small. And then you can just like check the video quality. If this is your first time visiting the channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be notified once a new video becomes available. Take care!